be here when you celebrate the rejuvenation of Purti. In fact, I must first congratulate the school of Shanai Goemba School of Language and Literature for taking this initiative, because this is the need of the hour as far as the youngsters are concerned. Because nowadays when you see the modern life, we see chemical fertilizers are excessively used without even looking at what is going to happen in the generation to come. So as a result of that, the soil fertility goes, biodiversity damages, and even the water bodies are affected. In fact, I have seen many of the fishes are being killed because of the chemicals used. And therefore, the need of the hour is that we have to have something like a fusing between ancient wisdom and the modern. And therefore, what is needed is that sustainability, then economic resilience, and then the health. When I say the health, definitely the paddy, which is grown through natural the nutrients, are much more healthier than that we normally call as organic farming, much more nutrient than what is being done through chemical fertilizers, etc. So health, sustainability, and the economic resilience. Because when you say that, when you are forced to use so many chemicals, as I said earlier, the soil is degraded, but to make it back again, the farmer has to spend a lot. So which means that when you adopt this traditional technique, what you have is that you will have more take back home rather than when you use chemical fertilizer.
So I was looking in Google what is the meaning of Purti, and I asked my rice scientist, that Manora, please give me the background of the Purti. Then he also talked to Dr. Prakash, and yesterday night he briefed me what is the Purti. So my deep appreciation to Dr. Prakash, and this is the way how we can use the degraded land, as our Professor Menon already mentioned that, because where there is no bandharas, in the river water came a long way, and that remains submerged during the Kharif season. But in Rabi season, that land used to be remain vacant, but lot of good quality soil and lot of good quality organic matter is being carried forward in the basin, and it's a extremely nutritionally very rich soil. So where there is no bandhara, and I think this Purti has a great future.
98 years वर्षा अब एक लॉन्च project is a paper which I wrote a research paper in 1998, and then I actually travel across all 33 villages from top to down. There is Kadwal to Banje. So कळटकच म्हाका सांगले 565 पुरण शेतकार families just to cultivate पुरण शेती. That the data is with me. आणि ताचे उपरांत तुमकां खबर आसतलें की हांव एवरी टायम आमी बरयत रावला पुरण शेती संदर्भान. पुरणी संदर्भान हांव आर्टिकल्स बरयले, पुरणी संदर्भान वन ऑफ आर्टिकल्स इन माय दवळणे दुकान आसा. दुसरे आर्टिकल्स म्हणजे म्हादे काळजांतल्यान कागदार आसा. तिसरे आर्टिकल उत्तरी रंग अंतरंग आसा त्या पुस्तकान आसा. आनी एवरी टायम म्हाका फॉलो म्हाका दिसता म्हाज्या फाटल्यान पुरण आसा. I am also the son of the one. आमचो बापूय पुरण करतालो, म्हजो भाव मागीर पुरण करा, पुरण शेतकाराचो पूत आसा. I know each and everything about puran sheti, so that I can write a novel on the puran sheti. And that's the puran sheti zone वर्षा I got a national award from the Mangalore also for that book, and that book is already translated into English by Dr. Vidyapai.
पुरण लुवणी उत्सव जो आसा तो आज पार पडलो. 10व्या तारीखेर जी दुऱ्याची कोण आसा थंयसर डॉक्टर प्रकाश पर्येकर हांच्या गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या मार्गदर्शना खाला आणि गोंय जैवीक संपदा हांच्या मार्गदर्शना खाला तांच्या सहयोगान गोवा बायोडायवर्सिटी आणि गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या सहकार्यान हो पुरण लुवणी उत्सव आज जालो. आणि ह्या लुवणी उत्सवांतल्यान एक गजाल निश्चित संपन्न जाली की गेल्या फाटल्या 20 वर्सांक जो पुरण शेती प्रकार जो बंद आशिल्लो तो बंद पडिल्लो पुरण शेती प्रकार आयज परत नवा पुनर्जीवित जाला आणि ह्या पुनर्जीवित जाल्ल्या ह्या उत्सवाक आयज पुरणीचे पुरण लुवली सुरवात केली आणि 4 कुणगे आमी रोयल्ले. ह्या 4 कुणग्यांचे भरीव अशें पीक आयला आणि ह्या पिकांतल्यान संबंध आयच्या ह्या लुवणी उत्सवांतल्यान सगळ्या मानेस्तांनी सांगला की हो पुरण उत्सव जो आसा ही पुरण शेत प्रकार जो आसा हो परत एकदा पुनर्जीवित जाला आणि हो परत दर वर्सान वर्स जावचो.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.